This is how to play I'm Too Oiled by Victoria. The original key of the song is the key of B, which is this key right here. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. I'm going to start first by playing this song to you guys just a little bit on the key of B, and then I'll break it down after on the key of C sharp, okay? On our last video, I told you guys that I'm going to complete this song. So today, we're going to complete it. But I'm going to start from the beginning just for the sake of the people who didn't see our last video, okay? So let's play, let's play it. On the key of B, it says, I'm too old to fail. I'm too old to fall. I'm too old to be small. I'm too old to be bound. I'm too old to fear. I'm too old to faint. I'm too old to be caged. I'm too old to be stopped. Okay? And then from that part, it goes to a part that says, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to preach the good news. Right? It has a very simple chord progression. So let's break it down on the key of C sharp. On the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord here. It starts right here. Okay, I believe everyone can see it. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as F sharp major chord. Okay, from 4, we go to 5, second inversion, which is this chord. This is our number 5, right? Also known as G sharp major second inversion. From this chord, we go back to our first chord, which is 4. From 4, we go to 1, first inversion, which is this chord. This is C sharp major first inversion. From here, we go to back to 5. It's very simple, right? I said it's 4. From 4, it's 5, back to 4. And then from here, it's 1. From 1, it goes to 5. It's very, very simple. So on the left, when you play 4 on the right, on the left, you're going to play 4 as well. When you go to 5 on the right, on the left, you go to 3. Okay? It's 3. When you go back to 4 on the right, on the left, you go to 2. When you go to 1, on the left, you also go to 1. When you go to 5, on the left, you also go to 5. I'm going to repeat it again for the last time. When you go to 4 on the right, on the left, it's also 4. When you go to 5 on the right, on the left, it's 3. When you go back to 4, on the left, you go to 2. When you go to 1, on the left, it's 1. 5, 5. Okay? And this is where it says, I'm too old to fail. I'm too old to fall. I'm too old to be small. I'm too old to be bound. I'm too old to fear. I'm too old to faint. I'm too old to be caged. I'm too old to be stopped. Okay? And then from that part, it goes to a part that says, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. Okay? So let's break down that part. That part starts right here on this chord. Okay? This is our number 2 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. I believe everyone can see it. Okay? It's F sharp, A sharp, and then D sharp. Okay? This is our number 2, also known as D sharp minor first inversion. Okay? It's D sharp minor first inversion. This chord right here. From here, it goes to 6, second inversion, which is this chord. This is our number 6. It's a second inversion, also known as A sharp minor second inversion. All right, from here we go to 5 major. Sorry, we go to 5. It's G sharp major root chord. Is our number 5. Okay, I said it's 2, 6, 5. From 5 we go to 1 second inversion, which is this chord, also known as C sharp major second inversion. From here we go to 5 second inversion. All right, let's introduce the bass. When you play 2 on the right, on the left you also go to 2. When you go to 6 on the left, you also go to 6. When you go to 5 on the left, you go to 7. When you go to 1 on the left, you also go to 1. When you go to 5 on the left, you also go to 5. Okay, I said this is what it says. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to preach the good news. Okay, and then there's another part that says, He anoints me. You play the same chord progression. With oil, my cup runs over. Okay, it's quite easy, right? So let's start from the beginning. It starts right on 4, on number 4, okay? I said it's I'm too old to faint. I'm too old to fall. I'm too old to be small. I'm too old to be bound. I'm too old to fear. I'm too old to faint. I'm too old to be caged. I'm too old to be stopped. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to preach the good news. Sorry. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to set the captives free. Okay, I'm gonna skip that part and go to He anoints me with oil. It's the same thing, okay? My cup runs over. He anoints me with oil. My cup runs over. It's quite easy, right? So I believe you learned something from this video, guys. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, God bless you.